What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix a problem when you're unable to download apps on your iPhone. There could be multiple reasons why you're unable to download an app on your iOS device. First, head to the App Store and look up the app you want to download. If the app is paid, you will have to make sure you're using a valid payment method. Scroll down and under Information, expand Compatibility. This will show you if your iPhone model and iOS version is compatible with the app you're trying to download. If you suspect that your iOS version is not up to date and not compatible with the app, then close the App Store and open your Settings app. From here, head to the General section and tap on Software Update. Proceed to download the latest available iOS update, and then you'll be required to restart your iPhone to install the update. Restarting will also reset your network settings, which can help with download problems. When this is done, head back to your settings. Now, we will make sure that you have enough storage space on your device. Some apps require a lot of storage, which you can check when looking at the app page in the App Store. Head to your General settings and tap on iPhone Storage. It might take a second to load your storage information, and then you can preview how much storage you have left. If you need to make space on your iPhone, then follow the storage recommendations by offloading unused apps or deleting watched Netflix series, for example. Lastly, make sure your screen time restrictions are not preventing you from installing apps on your iPhone. Back in your main settings, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. From here, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If you want to keep restrictions enabled, then head to the App Installations and Purchases section and allow app installations, specifically the Installing Apps and App Store options. Next, head to the App Store, Media, Web and Games section. And if you're trying to install an app with an age rating, such as 12+, then make sure to allow these apps to be installed on your device. You might be required to enter your Apple ID password to make changes to these settings. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.